Let's solve this question together. Now look at the beautiful diagram on the board. It's a circuit. Okay, we are asked to find the total current in the circuit. Now let me draw your mind to Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the total amount of current that flow in a metallic conductor is directly proportional to total voltage and inversely direct proportional to resistance, provided the temperature remains what? Constant. That means our I is equals to what? V over what? R. Our total resistance. This is our total current. Okay. Now what we are going to do here, we don't know the total resistance in this circuit, and this circuit is dealing with what? Series and what? Parallel circuit. This is parallel, this is series. Now first of all, what you have to do here to know the formula for series connection, the parallel connection, sorry, the series what? Resistor, and the parallel what? Resistance. Now let's prove the formula of series resistance. Now note that if this is voltage, which is 19 volt, 18 volt, right? This is, you can call this is what? R1. Let's make this your circuit. Let's look if there's no other resistor here. Let's make if there's no other resistor. That means we are not looking at this resistor that's here. We are looking at these two resistors which are on series. Okay? If these two resistors are on series, let's just work on them and ignore this other resistor that's here, because this other resistor you are seeing here, they are in parallel. It means that V1 plus what? V2 will be equals to V. If you are consider these two resistors only, you are ignoring the parallel side, we are working on the series side. That means the current that, if here is V1 and here is V2, it means that the current that flow here plus the current that flow here, sorry, the voltage that flow here and the voltage that flow here will give us the total voltage in this circuit. We are ignoring this. Please, we make this sub-circuit. We are ignoring this first. I'm coming to this, but we are ignoring this. I know I'm working with series first. Okay? And we know that by definition of Ohm's law states that I is equal to V over what? Total resistance. Now, by making V the subject of the formula, it means that I multiplied by total resistance is equal to what? V. By making what? V the subject of the formula by cross multiply. It means that, look at IR is equal to V. Are you seeing here? So here we have, this is what? IR1 plus IR2. Okay? IR2 is equals to what? Let me remove this first. It means that IR1 plus IR2 is equals to what? IR. Okay? Because V here is considered V is IR. Now let's factorize what is common. Consider that I is common, we bring out I into IR1 divided by I, what? R1. IR2 divided by this, what? Plus what? R2 equals to what? I multiplied by R just what? T, which is total resistance. Now in this series connection, we are looking for the total resistance. So if you divide here by T and divide here by I, sorry. Now this will cancel out this. We now see that R1 plus R2 is equals to total resistance, which is total R. This will cancel out this, right? Now in series connection, we see that R1 plus R2 is equals to what? I just T, which is total resistance. Now we have solved for the total resistance in what? In series connection. Let's consider the what? The parallel connection. Okay? Now in parallel connection, that means the current that flow here, plus the current that flow here will give us the total current in this circuit. It means that I1 plus I2 is equal to total I. And we know that I is equal to V over R. So it means that V over R1 plus V over R2 is equal to what? It's equal to V over what? Total resistance. Okay? Now we can factorize something here, right? We can do something very interesting. We can bring out V here into 1 over R1 plus 1 over what? R2. Because this time this will give us this and this time will give us this. Equals to, I don't know what is happening to my marker today. Equals to V into 1 over R what? R total. Because V times this will give us this. Now if we divide both sides by V and divide here by V, Now this V will cancel out this, and this V will cancel out this. So now see that 1 over arrow 1 plus 1 over arrow 2 is equals to 1 over what? Total resistance. Okay. Now from here, let's take our LCM. Our LCM between arrow 1 arrow 2 is what? Is arrow 1 multiplied by arrow 2, right? Now we divide the whole of this by this. We have arrow 2. Arrow 2 times 1, we have this is arrow 2. Divide the whole of this by this. We have arrow 1. Arrow 1 times 0 plus what? Plus arrow 1 equals to 1 over what? Arrow what? Total. Now let's do amazing thing here. We can also write this as what? Into arrow 1 multiplied by arrow 2 divided by arrow 1 plus arrow 2 all to the power of what? Minus 1 is equals to into total resistance all to the power of minus 1 is the same thing. Now this can cancel out this. We now see that this implies that total resistance in parallel is equals to arrow 1 multiplied by arrow 2 divided by arrow 1 plus what? Plus arrow 2. Now this is the formula of what? This is the total resistance in what? Parallel. This is in series. Now since we have known the resistor in parallel and series, we have known the formula of resistor in parallel and series. That means we can find the resistor. So if this is 1, now that means for us to have the total resistance, we have to say total resistance is equals to what? Arrow 1 plus arrow 2 plus arrow 1 multiplied by arrow 2 divided by arrow 1 plus arrow 2. Now this is the form. You can see, I know this is we are adding parallel to what? Series. So this is in series and this is in parallel. Now equal and flow there, you can say this is our arrow 1, right? Okay. We can call this out. This will be our arrow. This will be our arrow what? So this we can be our arrow 2. And this will be our what? Arrow 3. And this will be our arrow 4. Right? So that means total resistance in this circuit will be equals to. Now we can say arrow 1 is 2. So we can say 2 plus. Now we can let's label this again to know what we are doing. 2 plus. Let's use this as arrow 2. And use this as arrow 3. Yes. So that means arrow 2 is what? Arrow 2 is 4. So this is 4 because they are in series, right? You can see they are in series. Then plus into this will now become arrow 3, arrow 4. Arrow 3, arrow 4. So become what? Arrow 3 is what? Arrow 3 is 1 times 3 divided by 1 plus what? 3. Because they are in parallel. So it means that total resistance in this circuit will be equals to 6 plus this. 2 plus 6 will give 2 plus 4 will give us 6 plus into. Now 1 times 3 is 3 divided by what? 4. So now see that our total resistance is equals to 6 plus 3 divided by 4. Don't forget that the denominator here is 1. So let's take our LCM. Okay. Let's take our LCM. Our LCM is 1. That means total resistance is equals to, our LCM is 4. Now 4 divided by 1 will give us what? 4. And 4 times 6 will give us 24. So here's what? 24. Then 4 into 4 1 time. 1 times 3 give us plus what? Plus 3. Now let's add everything here and know what you are doing. So I can have the total resistance, right? Plus 3. We have 27. So that means total resistance is equals to 27 divided by what? 4. So 27 divided by 4 gives us what? That means total resistance is equals to 6.75 or 75 ohms. This is total resistance. We are knowing the what? We have known the total resistance in this circuit. This is total resistance. Now remember, by Ohm's law state that the total amount of current that flow in the metallic conductor is directly proportional to the total voltage and inversely direct proportional to resistance, provided the temperature remains constant, right? It means that total I, because we're looking for total current, equals to V divided by total resistance. And we are getting that our total resistance is this. It means our total I is equals to 18 because our voltage is 18, as you can see here, divided by 6.75. Okay, giving the total current is equals to Now 18 divided by 6.75 give us what? Give us 2.67 in two decimal place amps. And this is the total current in this circuit. Let's see how simple and interesting it is. Now this is series, and this is what? This is series, and this is what? Parallel. This one you are seeing here, they are parallel. So you can see that by definition of this, we have to know the formula of series. The formula of series plus, look at R1 plus R2 plus, you can put in a parenthesis. You can put this in a parenthesis, it's not bad. Okay, this is in parallel. These are in parallel, right? Because R3, R4, they're in parallel, and R2, R1, R2, they're in what? Series. You can see. So 2 plus 4 give us 6. 1 times 3 give us 3. And 1 plus 3 give us 4. From here, we'll take our LCM. What is our LCM? The LCM between 1 and 4 is 4, right? Then 4 divided by 1 will give us 4. 4 times 6 will give us 24. 4 into 4, 1 times 3, 6 give us 3. 24 plus 3 give us 27. 27 divided by 4 will give us 6.75 in two decimal place ohms. Now, according to the total resistance in this circuit, we are okay. We are free to go and find the total what? Current. Because can you see, I asked to find total current in the what circuit. Total current is equal to V over what? R by what? The definition of what? Ohm's law. That means total current is equal to V over total resistance. And we have known our total resistance is 6.75 ohms, right? That means total current is equal to V over total resistance. I will know that our total voltage is 18 what? 18 volts. So 18 divided by this will give us 2.167 amps in two decimal what place. And this is the solution to this particular problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do it to like, comment, and share it with your loved ones so others will learn from it. Please, if you are not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime another exciting video, you will notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.